Hi everyone and welcome to Xforce tutorial. The purpose of this channel is to learn about HTML and CSS, so the tutorials are going to be about these markup languages. To make a web page, first of all we need an HTML a file, so we can create a file with type .html at the end of the file, and we can create it and modify with any text editor like MemoPath of Windows, but I recommend it Notepad++ because you can see the errors when you are writing. In the following description is a link to download the app. HTML doesn't work with variables or functions like programming code because it works with tags, because it's not a programming language, it's a markup language, so the markup language works only with tags. This is a basic web page, and first of all we have the declaration of the type of document, which is in HTML, and this is a tag. This tag is the tags we write with more than or less than, for example, like that, and between them we write a keyword. For example, this keyword is for make the HTML, and we write inside all the things we need. Okay, to open a tag is only more than and less than, and to close we need a bar between more than and less than, always before the keyword. But there are different tags who close it without any other tag. For example, this tag it's closed and we don't need this, so this is an special tags who close itself, but usually we use this. Okay, inside the HTML tags you have the head and the body. The head is the title of the page, like this, for example, is this part, it's the title, and then we have the body, and in the body is the body is the place where we are going to write all the content of the page. For example, tables, text, videos, list, etc. And for example, we have a little title, which is a text little bigger, and then we have a normal text. We have see here, this is the page with the text and the title. And the rules to write HTML are made with, there will be 3 schools, and like the app of Notepad, it's going to be a link in the following description, and in that page you can know everything about HTML, CSS, and how to create a web page in an advanced way. And that's all for today. See you!